Welcome to this video in which we will learn how to make this sheet metal cone in SolidWorks, and we will learn how to flatten this after making the cone. So this is the flattened form of this cone. So now let's begin. At first you need to open the SolidWorks software. Then you need to click on this file, new part, and OK, because this is a part file. And then we will select the top plane and click on sketch option. Here we will select a circle and we will make a circle at this origin, and then we will select a center line and we will make line like this. Press the escape button, select the line, center line again. This is the center line. Actually we are going to make three lines. So this is the second one, and finally the third one from center to the circumference. Then we will select the smart dimension. We will select any two lines. We will specify the diameter of the circle. I am specifying it's 1.2 meter or 1200 millimeters. We can specify the degree between these two lines as 1.5 degree. You can specify according to your needs. So then I'm selecting this trim entities and power trim option, and I'm trimming these two lines on the circumference. All right. So then we need to select any perpendicular plane. Okay, this right plane is perpendicular. So this center line has been selected and I'm making a center line here. Make sure it's straight and an inclined line as well. So the height of this line is 1.2 meter or 1200 millimeters. It's you can specify according to your needs. Select these two lines and specify the angle between these as 45. Again you can specify it according to your needs and requirements. Simply exit the sketch. Okay, so far we have created this much geometry, and now we have to make some planes. So how we can make them? Go to features, and here we find reference geometry, and reference geometry we find plane. Select this vertical line and this point. So as you can see, a plane has been created, and we are going to make a simple sketch on this plane. So select this plane, click on sketch, and here we need to select this center line. So make sure make this horizontal line. Press the escape button. Okay, so you can hide this plane. Select the reference geometry and plane again, and here we are going to select this inclined line and this horizontal line that we just created from the previous plane. Okay, so this plane has been created and now we are going to make a sketch on this plane. So select circle and make a circle here and specify the diameter of the circle. I am specifying as 0.6 meter or 600 millimeters. Okay, and now we are making center lines. So make sure these center lines coincide these or overlap these previous center lines. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. You can select center line from this option, and then select smart dimensioning tool, specify the degree here 1.5. This is the previous degree, so make sure use the same degrees in both of the circles, and then select the trim entities. This option should be selected and you can select this portion and trim it. Simply exit the sketch now, and okay, so you can select your sheet metal. If you do not have sheet metal, what you can do is right click and go to tabs, and here you can select this sheet metal. I have already selected it. Go to sheet metal and select this lofted bend command, and in here what you need is select these two circles, 1 and 2. This is appeared here and the second circle is here. So this sketch will appear, and definitely you can change these parameters. You can change the thickness of the uh, cone. It's up to your design. So here is the cone. You can hide the sketch and planes, and you can specify any material or any appearance you like. So I'm applying this. Okay, so this is the sheet metal cone, and you can flatten it. This is the flatten button. So here is the flatten option. So thanks for watching.